You're underway.
Let's go, Soph!
Making the break line, the Nooka with the lead. The 5 squad next, it's Lockport Township.
Come on, Sophie!
The 8 squad is Oswego East. Oswego East in 3. There's Lincoln Way Central battling from the front of the chase back. They finally get there.
Come on, Soph, you gotta go!
Let's go, Soph! Come on!
Come on, Sophie!
Nooka and Lockport Township. Oswego East in the 3. Champaign Centennial.
Come on, Soph! Come on, Sophie, get in front of her!
And we're ready for the first exchange on the 214, 215. Here's Nooka. In the first exchange, Lockport in 2. Battle for third. He comes out. Champaign Central and Oswego East. Lamont is down the head.
Come on, Allie, you got this!
And the leader in the chase back as it's still Nooka and Lockport. All alone there. Lamont has the lead in the chase back. 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Come on, Allie!
Lockport still in the 2, yes they are, but here comes Lamont. Lamont and Lockport and Lincoln Way Central. And they're all trying to chase down Nooka. Lamont in 2, Lincoln Way Central in 3. This is always Lockport. Lincoln Way Central continues to have a target. Target is Nooka. The gap closing. And these hurt as they come around and approach the 4-minute mark for this race. Now Lincoln Way Central really leading here, and there are the Knights in the first place. Responsible for this lead, and that is four stack. For Lincoln Way Central. Mia Forstack. Central. Jillian Davies.
Come on, Allie!
Jillian Davies, there's your leader. Davies not that far away. Lockport not
Go, Allie!
Come on, Allie!
Jillian Davies is the leader. And the field has been left. For Lockport, Cindy Fontaine. Cindy Fontaine. There's our bell.
Come on, Allie! Come on, Allie!
Here comes Lincoln Way Central. And they are home at 9:25. Lockport right behind at 9:29. Washington will get 3. And the 4 will be the 2 St. Charles North. Minooka next.
Come on, Allie! Come on, Allie, dig!
You can do it, Allie!
Lockport Township is second, 9:28.79. The Washington Panthers coming
She
third,
ain't even get her.
9:35.96, followed by St.
She's reeling her in.
North.
Go, Allie!
She got it. Good job.
Burlington Central and Neighborhood North. We're going to call the finalists of the 60s to report. Finalists of the 60s to report. Here comes Chad.